America, I'm truly baffled. What the fuck did Dr. Phil prescribe y'all? Because what kind of jackass shit is this? What in this universe possessed y'all to do such a thing? Because, ladies and gentlemen, I refuse to believe this is real life. It's no wonder why the fuck I had to hit the blunt. Like, what the fuck will y'all think of next? Because I really can't see this happening in this lifetime and any other, for that matter. Lord, please tell these people this is not the way to go into holy matrimony.